In JavaScript, arrays have several built-in methods that allow us to iterate over and manipulate their elements. Two of these methods are map and ForEach. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to transform and iterate over arrays. Let's take a look at our shopping list again. And now, suppose we want to convert the array to a simpler form. We can achieve this using the map method, which iterates over the array and transforms each element, returning a new array. So let grocery list equals shopping list map item name. And the result is apple, banana, oatmeal, and avocado. The map method creates a new array populated with the results of calling a provided function on every element in the calling array. It does not change the original array. Let's look at another example. Say we want to transform each element to uppercase, and we can do it like this. Grocery list equals shopping list map item where item name to uppercase. And the result is apple, banana, oatmeal, and avocado in all caps. So, use the map method when you want to transform data in an array and need the result. The ForEach method executes a provided function once for each array element. It does not return a new array and does not modify the original array. For example, we can use ForEach to print out each item of our shopping list to the console. Shopping list for each item, console log, item name, and item quantity. The ForEach method returns undefined. It can also perform some side effects modifications. For example, let's increase each element's quantity by 2. Shopping list for each item quantity equals item quantity plus 2. Or simply item quantity plus equals 2. The plus equals operator performs addition and assigns the new value to item quantity at once. Now, each element in the shopping list has an increased quantity. Let's practice what we have learned with few exercises. Pause the video and try to find a solution yourself. When you are ready, press play to see an example solution. And here is an example solution. First, let's declare the array of numbers. So let numbers equals array of 3, 2, 5, 6, and 8. To multiply each element by 10, let's use map method. Multiplied numbers equals numbers map number times 10. And to print each element to the console, we can use ForEach like this. Multiplied numbers for each number console log number. Now, let's use map to transfer numbers into an array of students. Let students equals multiplied numbers map number, and let's return object with name student and its index, and grade, that is a number. In the map method, we can access the index of the element using index, like above, and then we can utilize that index in the student name. Finally, let's print out each student name and grade like this. Students, for each student, console log, student name, and student grade.